Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to do a swap of an L1 asset to SPS. So that is Splinterlands, the Splinter Shards token. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to want to sign in. You can use XDeFi or KeyStore in order to sign in, and then you will make sure you select the Hive blockchain by clicking the Hive logo there. And then if you haven't logged in before, it will ask you for your username. So I am going to put my username here and then hit connect with KeyStore. And then it's going to ask me to input my KeyStore, which I'm doing now, encryption password, and then connect. And now you can see I am successfully signed in with both my KeyStore and my Hive wallet. So you'll see my Hive balances here, Hive, Leo, SPS, and DEC. So in the input, I can select any L1 token listed on Maya. So for this one, since I'm going to swap into SPS, let me just choose CACAO. It'll be the fastest for the purposes of this video. And then I'm going to do 5 CACAO, again, just to test and show you. Here it'll show me the estimated fees and all this information I need. I can also change the recipient if I don't want it to be myself. But for this one, I obviously just want it to be myself. So I've got CACAO to SPS. I'm going to hit swap, and you can see we built a new swap UI. It's pretty fancy. So let me just explain what's going on here while the CACAO part of the swap takes place. So since I'm going from CACAO to SPS, the initial part of the swap is on the Maya blockchain, obviously, or on Maya protocol, with the different blockchain assets, depending on what I selected. Obviously, this is CACAO, so it's Maya's token. So going from CACAO to SPS requires that I go through a few different steps. Now, we've built the UI and the backend in a way where it handles all of this for you. So once you hit swap, it's literally just going to be asking me for a couple different confirmations along the way, but I won't actually have to do anything other than hit confirm for each different step. So the first step can take a little bit of time. So you can see here it says this may take up to 10 minutes to confirm on chain. It just depends on it depends on a lot of things, but mainly on the asset that you started with. So CACAO, like I said, is pretty fast. So it looks like it's taking about 2 minutes here in order for the swap to complete on Maya protocol. If I were to do something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT or Dash, it may take a little bit longer. So just be aware of that. Be ready for it. It can take a little bit of time when you initiate that swap, just depending on the blockchain, depending on the asset. Again, keep the window open. Don't close the window. Don't refresh the UI. If you stop it mid swap, you can run into some issues in terms of having it complete because we are going across a couple different blockchains here in order to make this swap work. So it says that the swap operation is completed, and now it's aggregating Arbitrum Leo to Hive Leo. I know that right now it's taking a little bit of time. Usually this will be, when you get to this third step, it will be pretty fast. But let me pause the video. Actually, look at that. It's now ready. So what you can't see on the screen is it's saying confirm in Hive keychain. You can't see pop-ups in the recording. But it's just asking me to confirm a Hive keychain transaction. I also see on the video that we have a little typo here. Like I said, brand new UI, so I will get that typo fixed. And now you can see, well, you can't see the Hive keychain window, but you can see on your video that you're watching right now, you can see it kind of going through the steps. And the part you can't see is the confirmations that I've been doing. So basically those last 2 steps, it just had 2 keychain windows that popped up. I hit confirm, it waited about 10 seconds, and then it popped up another keychain window, and I hit confirm. And now you can see that process is done. And in the transaction tracker, you can see pending, and it says 5 CACAO to 384.88 SPS. So 2 things here. If you click View and Explorer, which I'll do now and show you, it's going to take you to Maya Scan, and it's actually going to show you a swap from CACAO to Leo. So, if you're curious about how this works, the main screen that you saw during the swap kind of explains it all to you. But you're actually going from CACAO to Leo, and then you're going from Leo to Hive to SPS. So kind of a complicated multi-step process there, but the UI handles it all for you. So if you do look on MayaScan, it's going to say that you swapped into Leo, because obviously that's on the Maya protocol side, that's where it ended. But then we picked up from that Leo point when it comes to LeoDex. So if I refresh my balance here, I had 607 SPS, and now you can see I have 996. So the swap was successful. The transaction tracker can stay pending for a while. It's basically just waiting for blockchain confirmations, but usually if you want to see it faster, you can just go to your actual wallet and look for it. So here you can see 996 SPS. So successful swap. Took about 5 minutes on camera. Like I said, depending on the assets that you choose for the input output, it can be faster or slower. And then, obviously depending on other factors, it can be faster or slower. Most of the time, I would say it's going to take you about 5 minutes to do the swap. And, in that 5 minutes, you're literally just going to be clicking confirm, 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 and then it's all done. So hopefully that is easy enough for you guys. I will see you in the next video. I'll probably record one right after this of how to do the reverse, where if you want to swap SPS into something else. So catch you later.